Hi friends, welcome to Uttara Shrini's kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching my channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Today, I'm going to share a fried veggie quinoa recipe. This dish is prepared using Sattvic ingredients. The ingredients are quinoa, green peas, carrots, multicolored pepper, zucchini, cilantro, mint leaves, chopped ginger, oil, clove, cardamom, cinnamon, bay leaf, cumin seed, black pepper. Since we are making this dish in Sattvic way, for spice we are using black pepper. Turmeric powder, salt. In a pan, add 2 cups of water and bring it to a boil. While the water is coming to a boil, let's wash the quinoa and drain it. Now the water has come to a boil. I'm going to start adding the washed quinoa. Cover the pan with a lid. Set it on low heat for 15 minutes. While the quinoas are getting cooked, let's start making up the vegetable. Add bay leaf, clove, cardamom and cinnamon. Saute until the fragrance comes. Add cumin seeds and allow it to crack. Add finely chopped ginger. Add carrots, zucchini, peas, peppers, and saute until the veggies are cooked. Veggies are cooking halfway through now. It's time to add in black pepper powder, salt and turmeric powder. It's been 15 minutes now. Let's check on the quinoa. Quinoa is cooked well. All the water is absorbed. Let's turn off the flame and let it cool down. Now the veggies are cooked well. Let's add in quinoa. Add chopped mint leaf and cilantro. Mix it gently. After mixing, cover the pan with a lid and set on low heat for 1 minute. It's been 1 minute now. Let's open the pan. Mix it. The quinoa and the veggies are mixed well and all the flavors are blended in. Let's turn off the flame and change it to a serving dish. Sattvic food is a balanced diet with fresh fruits and vegetables that are not pungent in flavor, that help increase in the sattvic quality. Recent studies say sattvic food can help in stress management, weight loss, and healthy lifestyle. Delicious fried veggie quinoa is ready for serving. Today, I'm serving this with a beet raita. Thanks for watching. If you like my channel, like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon.